Okay, so I just thought I'd make a little clip of this. So if you guys can't hear that, wait, where's this? It's thundering and like crazy. Like you guys can't see that, but it is so just, it's kind of like weird because, I don't know, but I'm gonna go show you. That's a flood warning. So